This is an example of a more complicated application using both EMG sensing and heart rate sensing. If I connect my Avanti sensor and connect my heart rate sensor, and then press the scan button, I will begin scanning, and hopefully both pieces will be selected. While we're waiting, this application is a maze, where my speed in the maze is controlled by the signal generated by the EMG, modified with the heart rate over the resting heart rate of 60 to provide a little bit of a speed boost if you're above 60 and slow you down a little bit if you're below 60. So it looks like it caught my sensors. Then, when I click start, my movement will begin. You can't see it right now, but my movement with the EMG is based on my bicep curls. I have the EMG attached to my bicep, and that is what is controlling my speed and movement. As you can see, the fluctuating motion is because of the curls that I'm doing. So when I'm actively flexing, I'll be going faster than when my body is at rest. And then, hopefully, by doing these curls, my heart rate will go up, which should give me a little bump in speed and increase my heart rate. So the goal is to get to the end of the maze as fast as possible. And to do that, you want to be lifting a weight or exercising with a lot of effort, I guess. And you can't necessarily control your heart rate directly, but if you are working hard, your heart rate will naturally increase. As you can see here, mine's like hitting almost 80, so that's going to give me roughly a 1.2 times boost, because 80 over 60 would be 1.2. Or 80 over 60 might not be 1.2. But it should be a significant increase. I believe it is actually 1.33 times. Regardless, I'm getting a little bit of a speed boost here, and just trying to come up with things to talk about as I make it through this maze. And we have a little timer over there. It's getting clipped into the wall, but once we make it to the end of the maze, we will get our final time. And there we go, 153. So the data from the EMG and the data from the heart rate were both controlling my motion in this game. And hopefully this will give you some ideas of stuff that you can do with the EMG and the heart rate, and integrating them into VR and all sorts of applications. So thank you for checking out the maze, and good luck.